Cleome ornithopodioides. Cleome ornithopodioides or bird spiderflower is the type species of the genus Cleome, which is part of the family Cleomaceae or Brassicaceae. The species epithet means bird's foot like ornithopodi plus oides. Description: Cleome ornithopodioides is an annual plant growing to a height of 3 m. Flowers possess both male and female reproductive organs. Taxonomy: the first samples of bird spiderflower to arrive in Europe came from explorations of the area called the Vant and were successfully cultivated by James Sherard in 1732. Joseph Pitton de Tournefort named the Claude Aubriet illustration of Celsus. Ornithopodioides Synapistrum orientale in the 1700 Institutions Rea Herbaria. Being named before the 1753 species Plantarum disqualifies the name from being considered to be a synonym. When Carl Linnaeus first published the species with its current name in his 1753 Species Plantarum, he referenced descriptions of Synapistrum ornithopodis siliquis found in Johann Christian Bach's Herbarium Plantarum minus Cognitorum Centuria that was published posthumously by Johann Georg G. Mellin in 1728, Johann Jacob de Linnaeus' 1732 Hortus Athamensis. A collection whose list was published in 1907 by George Clyde Struce, and also the description he wrote of Cleome ornithopodioides in his own Hortus Cliffordinus from 1737 and of Synapistrum orientale triphyllum from his 1748 Hortus Utzilensis. In 1754, when Philip Miller described the genus Synapistrum in the Gardner's Dictionary, he described the species with English words three-leaved eastern Synapistrum with bird's footpaws and called it by the Latin name Synapistrum orientale triphyllum as it had been assigned by Tournefort, who had described it before him. Ecology: native to the area of the eastern Mediterranean, Celsus. Ornithopodioides was described in 1865 as living in the wild along with Trifolium stylotum in a fertile valley at the foot of Mount Zerbel. Cultivation: Philip Miller wrote of the ease of cultivation of Celsus. Ornithopodioides in his 1754 The Gardener's Dictionary will thrive in open air, so the seeds of this may be sown on a bed of light earth in April-late spring, where the plants are to remain, and will require no other culture but to keep them clear from weeds. In June early summer they will flower, and the seeds will ripen in August late summer, and the plants will soon after perish.